2014 RZR 800S has an overheating problem, or it doesn't have an overheating problem. I don't know what's going on. I've replaced the radiator cap, sending unit, the thermostat. Water pump is good. I put in a new relay for the fan. It comes on at 204 degrees until it gets down to about at 180. But anyhow, I just flushed the system again. I squeezed all of the lines in it to make sure get the air out. The screw on the head, opened that up while it was not running, and then opened it up while it was running and made sure all the air is out of it. This is full. The radiator is not clogged. It's clean in there. The bottle here is right at the minimum right now, and we're going to go take this thing for a run, and I'm going to show you what ends up happening. And I cannot figure this out. All right, let's go for a putt. So we're at 195, and about halfway through I get this scent of antifreeze. So we're at 199, 201. I'm going to shut it off. Now watch what happens. And now it's going to get hotter, and then you're going to hear the thing start to boil over. 208. Here it goes. You can hear it start to boil over. So what I do, it's at 210. So what I do, I start it, the fan kicks on, and I can smell anything. Nothing leaking. There's nothing leaking. I'm gonna pull up the garage. Fan just kicked off. $188. So what happens is you run it, it never overheats. You turn it off, and then the thing zooms up to 212 and it starts boiling over like you just heard. I don't get it. It doesn't overheat, but it overheats. Why? Why does it do that? And I'll take the hood off. The level was down, and now it's all the way to the top, and a lot of times it'll just start puking out. If I would have left it alone, it probably, and I didn't start it, it would all puked out and squirted out that hole. But I started it, and it knocks the temperature back down. Why?